What's up, everybody? I want to go over this loss I took on QQQ this morning. So, coming into the day, I did not really have a bias. I was kind of just waiting for something to happen. I did see that there was a high that was taken, but QQQ was continuing to pump up after that, and Spy just slowly fell behind it. Spy had just swept it, chopped, and then displaced down. So with that, let me do this so you guys don't see the candles. So the first trade I was going to take, I did not take this trade. The first trade I was going to take was shorts right here. Sorry, the first trade I was going to take was shorts right here, or puts or whatever, because we came into the premium with this 4-hour fair value gap. Took out March 12th high. Also, there was a huge, what was that, SMT still? I think that was, there at the time there was an SMT. Then I think that got invalidated. I believe, I forgot if it did or not, was not paying attention. But then we had this internal SMT. So what I was looking for right here was, before the SMT was put in place, I was just going to go and take the liquidity sweep fair value gap entry. I was wanting to see price come up to here, show a good closure, and maybe come a little bit higher, sell off to these lows. That's not what happened. So I did not enter there. So I was being more patient. Then I saw the change in state was right here. We broke below the change in state, had a 1 minute fair value gap. I did not enter off the closure. I entered off of the wick. So price that came into the fair value gap, I took an entry right there. For some reason, I don't know why, but the break even on the contract was down here. I don't know why. I'm trading 0 DTEs, but it was only 10. I don't know what happened at all, because that's like a whole dollar move. Yeah, 85-cent move. I don't know how it went down that much. I don't know if like Weeble had like filled late or something. Oh, my TP got hit, or what? But I don't know. That was pretty gay. So I entered all the way down here. It just chopped, and then I only took one contract. It was a $50 contract. I think I got filled at $55. I sold at $30, I think. So I took a $25 loss on this, but I just had a feeling. I was like, I'm not gonna take two calls. I'm gonna go ahead and take one, just because this wasn't the perfect setup. I feel like price was very choppy. Like even just looking like right here, price was kind of chopping, and I was like, I don't really have a good feeling about this. So I just took one contract. I'm glad I did. And right here, I mean, I was still like, even like anything above here, I was like in drawdown. So I was in drawdown all the way up here, but I didn't get a closure above inversing this fair value gap. So I waited for a closure above. That's whenever I actually exited the trade. So I sold my contract up here because price had closed up here, and by the time I got filled right there at that closure. So right here, I didn't see. Well, I went to go poop, but I didn't see another entry on here. Looking at it now, yeah, there's no entry. Maybe on like another time frame, but I've been trying to like go enter on the 1 minute only, taking fair value gap retracement, stuff like that. But yeah, so the bias was right today, but execution was not the best. But I was also not given the best to execute with. So it is what it is. I'm wrapping this video up here. Thank you guys for watching.